Hello students, welcome to PGSS online classes. Today we will start exercise 23. Okay, so before starting this exercise, you will have to learn all the divisibility rule, whatever given in your book. Okay, without divisibility rule, you can't solve this. You cannot solve this exercise 23. Okay, so you have to learn all the divisibility rule. Okay, so what is the first question? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? This is the first question of exercise 23. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Okay. Here it is given 36,708. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? Dear student, what is the divisibility rule of 2? A given number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the unit digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. So here you can see the unit digit is 8, that is divisible by 2. It means 36,708 is also divisible by 2. So here you can write the unit digit is 8, that is divisible by 2. So 36,708 is also divisible by 2. Okay students, like this you have to write in each and every question, you have to write these lines. The unit digit is 2, that is divisible by 2, that the unit digit is 8, that is divisible by 2. So 36,708 is also divisible by 2. One more question of this exercise, question number 2. Now I am telling you question number B. What is question number B? 97,103. So here you can see students, the unit digit is 3 and 3 is not divisible by 2. So this number 97,103 is also not divisible by 2. So here you write the unit digit is 3, that is not divisible by 2. So 97,103 is also not divisible by 2. So like this you can do first question. Now I am going to tell you second question. What is the second question? Second question is this. So like this you have to solve first question. Okay, you have to write these two lines in each and every questions, like A, B, C. In all questions you have to write like these lines. Okay, now I am going to tell you question number 2. What is question number 2? The question number 2 is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? Now you have to tell which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. So 2382. So how you have to check? What is firstly you have to know what is the divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? A given number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then this number will be also divisible by 3. Now I am going to check. So what we will do? Sum of digits. Here you have to write sum of digits. First digit is 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2. So what do you get? 3 to 5, 8, 13 to 15. Okay. What is sum of digits? 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So you have to write here which is divisible by 3. So 2382 is also divisible by 3. Okay students, like this you have to solve question number 2. Now B I am going to tell you. Second B. What is the number? 23,486. So firstly you have to write sum of digits. Sum of digits. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So here you can see 3 to 5, 4, 9, 9, 5, 14 and 14, 6, 20. 20 is divisible by 3. Of course, it is not divisible by 3. So you have to write which is not divisible by 3. So 23,456 is also not divisible by 3. So like this you can solve question number 2. Now I am going to tell you question number 3. Okay students, so you have to write 2 lines in each and every question of question number 2, sum of digits. Then you have to check that number is divisible by 3 or not. In each and every question you have to write these 2 lines. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 3. So what is question number 3? The question number 3 is which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? Now you have to tell which number is divisible by 6. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? So firstly you should know what is the divisibility rule of 6. Okay. Then you can solve this question. Okay. So you should know what is the divisibility rule of 6. A given number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. The first question is 7,848. Dear student, in this question you have to check that this number is divisible by 2 and 3 or not. If this number will be divisible by 2 and 3, then this number will be also divisible by 6. So firstly you should know that this number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, so firstly I am going to check that this number is divisible by 2 or not. So here you have to write its unit digit is 8. Its unit digit is 8. So 7848 is divisible by 2. According to divisibility rule of 2, this number is divisible by 2. How? Because if the unit digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. So here you can see that unit digit is 8, so this number is divisible by 2. Now we have to check that this number is divisible by 3 or not. So what you will do? Then you have to do first sum of digits. Firstly you have to write sum of digits. To check that this number is divisible by 3 or not, firstly you have to find sum of digits. 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8. Okay. So 7 and 15, 15 4 19 and 19 8 27. So students, you can see that 27 is divisible by 3. Here you have to write which is divisible by 3. तो बेटा अगर ये नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल है तो इसका मतलब ये 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. ओके, देन यू हैव टू राइट हेंस it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, now I am going to tell you one more question of question number 3rd. So like this you have to write in question number 3rd. I am going to tell you question number C of question number 3rd. What is question number C? 12,322. Its unit digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. Now we have to check from 3. So what we will do first? Sum of digits. Firstly you have to find the sum of digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 1 3 3 6 2 8 2 10. So here you can see the sum of digits is 10 and 10 is not divisible by 3, which is not divisible by 3. Okay students, तो बेटा 6 से डिविजिबल होने के लिए व्हाट इज द डिविजिबल रूल ऑफ 6? 6 से डिविजिबल होने के लिए दोनों नंबर से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, 2 से भी और 3 से भी. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो बेटा कि 2 से तो डिविजिबल है बट 3 से ये नंबर डिविजिबल नहीं है. इट मीन्स ये नंबर 6 से डिविजिबल नहीं हो पाएगा. हेंस 12,322 is not divisible by 6. Okay, So like this you have to solve question number 3. Now I am going to tell you question number 4. What is question number 4? In question number 4, you have to check that divisibility by 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? In this question, you have to tell the dividing rule of 5. Okay. So what is the dividing rule of 5? A given number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. एक नंबर 5 से तभी डिविजिबल होगा जब उसका यूनिट डिजिट मीन्स लास्ट डिजिट 0 होगा या 5 होगा, तब वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. ओके बेटा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाउ यू हैव टू राइट इन कॉपी. ओके. First question is 1,30,705. So here you can see that its unit digit is 5. Okay. Its unit digit is 5. So 1,30,705 is divisible by 5. Okay. One more question I am going to tell you. Question number B. What is question number B of this? 26,508. Here you can see that its unit digit is not 0 or 5. अगर इसका यूनिट डिजिट बेटा 0 और 5 नहीं है तो ये नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. देन यू कैन राइट हियर इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज नॉट 0 or 5. So 26,508 is not divisible by 5. Okay, so like this you can do question number 4. Okay students, now I am going to tell you question number 5. How you have to solve question number 5. What is question number 5? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Which of the following numbers is divisible by 9? Now you have to check duality rule of 9. So like divisibility rule of 3, in divisibility rule of 9 you have to also check the sum of digits. If the sum of digits will be divisible by 9, then that number will be also divisible by 9. Just like first question I am going to tell you 57,123. 57,123. So you have to firstly find the divisibility. According to divisibility rule, you have to find the sum of digits. Sum of digits. Okay, 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so 7 5 12, 1 13, 2 15, 3 18. Okay, it is 18 and 18 is divisible by 9, which is divisible by 9. Okay, then you can say, so 57,123 is also divisible by 9. Okay, now question number B. What is question number B? 93,311. So you have to find sum of digits. Sum of digits. 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. So 9 3 12, 12 3 15, 1 16, 1 17. Which is, and 17 is divisible by 9. No, it is not divisible by 9. 17 is not divisible by 9. So this number 93,311 will not be divisible by 9, which is not divisible by 9. Then you can write here, so 93,311 is also not divisible by 9. Okay, like this you can solve question number 5. Same process, you have to use same process for solving the questions. Now I am going to tell you question number 6. The question number 6 is, what is question number 6? The question number 6 is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? Are divisible by 10. Okay students, so how will you solve this question? 23,573. What is the divisibility rule of 10? A given number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. अगर बेटा यूनिट डिजिट 0 होगा, मीन्स लास्ट डिजिट 0 होगा, तो वो नंबर 10 से डिविजिबल होगा. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो, here you can see that unit digit is 0, so this number is divisible by 10. Its unit digit is 0. So 23,570 is divisible by 10. Like this you have to write in your fair copy. Next question. What is question number B? 93,257. Here you can see beta that unit digit is 0. No, unit digit is 7. So this number is not divisible by 10. अगर यूनिट डिजिट 0 होता तो ये 10 से डिविजिबल होता। इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज 7, so 93,257 is not divisible by not divisible by 10. Okay, so like this you can solve question number 6. Okay students, now I am going to tell you question number 7. What is question number 7? The question number 7 is separate the even and odd numbers, the even and odd numbers from the following. Okay students, so before solving this question you should know what is even number and what is odd number. Okay, if a given number is divisible by 2 then that number is called even number. If a given number is not divisible by 2 then that number is called odd number. Okay, just like this. 3,69,725 और यहाँ बेटा आपको डिवाइड करके नहीं चेक करना है कि ये नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है कि नहीं। जो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है वो इवन नंबर होता है, तो यहाँ आपको डिवाइड करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अकॉर्डिंग टू डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 2, व्हाट शुड बी द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ दैट नंबर? 02468। ओके, अगर जिसके लास्ट में बेटा 024 या 8 होता है वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है। ओके, एंड which number is divisible by 2, which number is divisible by 2, that number is called even number. So here you can see बेटा लास्ट में 5 है, तो क्या ये 2 से डिविजिबल है? नहीं डिविजिबल है। 2 से तभी डिविजिबल होगा जब लास्ट में 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 हो। यहाँ पे 5 है तो ये नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है। अगर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो ये इवन नंबर होगा? नो, दैट इज ऑड नंबर। सो डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू राइट दिस नंबर odd number. Okay, now question number B, 3,97,256. So firstly you have to check that this number is divisible by 2 or not. So here you can see that unit digit is 6 and 6 is divisible by 2, so this number will be also divisible by 2. अगर बेटा लास्ट में 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 होता है तो वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है। अगर 2 से डिविजिबल है तो ये कौन सा नंबर हो जाएगा? इवन नंबर। So like this you can solve this exercise and assignment 5 you have to solve in book. Okay बेटा, assignment 5 you have to solve in book. Now in next term I will tell you chapter 7. Okay, thanks, have a nice day.